Hello, welcome to Wise Minded Beauty channel. My name is Erika and today we are going to discuss how to answer the phone and how to take a proper booking from the client over the phone. Basically, this video is for people who work in a spa field. Phone is one of the communication channels with the client. Though we get bookings via email, Instagram, Messenger, still the majority of bookings we get over the phone. I know there are a lot of girls or women who graduate beauty school, who finish physiotherapy classes. They dream one day to open beauty studio or to run their own spa business. But to make a wonderful massage or an exquisite facial is only part of the success. The other crucial parts could be such as appearance, location, communication, and others. Today, I wanted to teach you how to communicate with a client over the phone. Firstly, what you have to do, always have a phone with yourself. Even when you go on a lunch break, have it with you, or leave it to someone else who has good communication skills. If you don't work during public holiday or festive season, also have a phone with yourself. During this time, the person or the client can call and can have inquiries of future bookings. And if you will not be able to answer, the client may go to the other spa or may call to the other place and have bookings there. When you come at work, early in the morning, firstly what you do, check email and phone. You may find missed calls from late night or from early morning. Maybe a client wanted to buy a gift voucher for his wife, or maybe he wanted to come for an early treatment. Try to reply to missed calls as soon as possible. Don't postpone them. Maybe the client wanted to come for an early treatment. Maybe he wanted to buy a gift voucher for his wife, and if you will call them back later, it might be too late. Maybe he will be short of time, and maybe he have gone to the other spa. So that's very, very important to call back to the missed call as soon as possible. Always try to answer the phone within 3 rings. Don't let the client wait too long. My recommendation is have a greeting sentence and a special script communicating with a client over the phone. And try to avoid such familiar words like hi, hello, what's up. If it is morning, till 12 p.m. you say good morning. If it is afternoon, from 12 p.m. till 6 p.m. you say good afternoon. And if it is evening, from 6 p.m. till closing hours you say good evening. The greeting sentence could be, for instance, good morning, Heaven Spa, Erika is speaking, how can I help you? Or, good afternoon, Angel Spa, Erika is speaking, how can I assist you? Always try to answer with positive, with cheerful voice. Try to avoid any negativity. The client shouldn't feel or shouldn't see if you are sad or if you have bad emotions or bad day. All the negativity leave behind the door. If the client calls us, it means he has special needs. Our goal is to identify his needs by offering him special treatment, special massage, exquisite facial, meeting his needs and exceeding his expectations. From here starts the sale. If a client wants a massage, ask him what kind of massage does he want. Does he want deep tissue, hot stone, aromatherapy, Swedish massage, if it is a facial? Also ask what kind of facial does he want. Dehydrating, for mature skin, for sensitive skin, cleansing. For example, if the client visiting you for the first time or calling you for the first time and he doesn't know what does he want, so try to offer him from the best treatments you have in your spa that would benefit him. And don't offer the whole menu. In this way, you can scare the client, he may feel confused, and he can drop off the phone. In addition to that, ask the client, what is the client's budget? How much does he want to spend for the treatment? Maybe he wants to spend only 50 euros, and you will be offering the treatment or a spa package for 150 euros or 200 euros. Maybe he just wants 60 minutes massage, and you will be offering him a facial, a body scrub, a massage, a sauna, a bath. So maybe that's too much for the client. Always ask what is his budget, because then you can create an offer according to his needs. Also ask, is there any special occasion, maybe birthday or special anniversary? So then you can create an extra free of charge treat for the client that doesn't cost nothing for him, but in this case you can create a strong and good and loyal bond with the client, and then he will remember all the small treats, and then after the treatment they can say, oh, what a nice massage I had, and they gave us for free a glass of champagne or glass of freshly squeezed juice. So make him exceptional offer, make him the best offer you can to do. Exceed his expectations. Also, very important is to know length of time. How much time does he want to spend in your spa? Maybe he wants to spend 1 hour, maybe he wants to spend 1.5 hours or 3 hours. So knowing now type of the treatment, budget of the treatment, and also time of the length of the treatment, you can create an exceptional offer only for that client and meet his needs and exceed his expectations. So you can create the best sale in your life. Now, taking the data of the customer. When booking a treatment, you have to take name, surname, and phone number. And my recommendation and my strong advice is not to put all this information on a piece of paper, because all of a sudden you can get another client, you can have a walk-in client, another call, or maybe you have to go to do the treatment, and at the end of the day you will end up with losing this piece of information, losing this piece of paper, and having no data for the client, no name, no surname, no phone number. So my advice is to have a notebook and put all this information on a notebook, or if you have a client's booking system, put straight away this information in a client's booking system. Time, when to come, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. In this case, asking and defining the time slots, you will help the client to make faster decision when he does want to come. And now final steps. I call it double confirmation. Now when we know type of the treatment, length of the treatment, price, date of visit, name, surname, and phone number, I always confirm this information. So the confirmation sentence may sound like, for instance, Dear John Bark, your deep tissue massage for 19 minutes for 130 euros is booked on the 2nd of July at Heaven Spa, and your phone number is, you tell the phone number. So basically, when he confirms and agrees that all the information is correct, you complete the booking reservation and you have succeed with the sales and with the booking. I just wanted briefly to emphasize what is important when booking a spa treatment over the phone. Always have a phone with yourself. Check the phone at all times, especially in the mornings. Have a greeting sentence and a script for your spa. When offering a treatment, offer not more than 3 choices. Always ask what is a client's budget and how much time does he want to spend in a spa. Take client's data, name, surname, and phone number. Never write all the information on a piece of paper. Ask when the client wants to come, in the morning, evening, or afternoon. Double confirm all this information. I hope you gathered some useful information from this spa tutorial. And if you would like to get more spa tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe Wise Minded Beauty channel. If you have any questions as well, you can leave in a comment your questions or your information, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. And for now, thank you for watching and see you next time.